The APTOOK 140 Pint Dehumidifier is highly efficient, capable of removing up to 140 pints of moisture per day under saturated conditions, making it ideal for large spaces up to 2,000 square feet. Designed for versatility, this commercial dehumidifier is perfect for use in crawl spaces, basements, warehouses, offices, and more, ensuring optimal air quality in any environment. Its advanced auto defrosting system ensures continuous operation even in low temperatures as low as 41 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing frost buildup on the coils. The dehumidifier offers hassle-free drainage options, including gravity drainage, and the ability to connect an external condensate pump for flexible water disposal. Featuring an intelligent touch panel with a 32.8-foot extension cord, the unit allows for remote control and automatic adjustments based on desired humidity levels, resuming previous settings after a power outage. Compact and easy to transport, this dehumidifier's design includes leveling feet, a joist hanging kit, and rubber feet to protect flooring, making it ideal for crawl spaces and other tight areas.